Hello, good day. This is Michelle S. Buhay, and today I'm going to teach you some basic techniques on how to burp an infant. As air travels upward, burping positions usually require the baby to be at least partially upright. This position encourages any air bubbles to move upward, passing through the throat and out of the mouth. It is possible to burp a sleeping baby, often without waking them completely. Each baby is different, so people may need to try various techniques to find one that works. Let's begin.
And before burping the baby, don't forget to sanitize your hands, or you may use eye soap, but if without soap, you may just simply use an alcohol. Don't forget. Method number 1, the shoulder. This method is suitable for babies who are sound sleepers. It can also be useful if person needs to wake a baby up to continue their feeding. Turn the baby upright and lean them against the upper chest. Put one hand under the buttocks for support. The baby's head should be on the top of the shoulder. Gently pat the baby's back between their shoulders blades. Use an open palm to pat, being firm but gentle. If patting does not work, try grabbing their upper back in circular motions with the palm. Method number 2, face down on your lap. Hold the baby up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby chest and head by one hand by cribbling the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help the baby burp. Next technique, sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position and support the leg. Gently tap the back or rub to help the baby burp. Do not forget to support the baby chest and the head.
What are my 3 basic techniques in burping the baby or an infant? Remember, the baby might feel or they may feel your love, your touch from holding them, from taking care of them. It is the most essential at the end of the day in taking care of infants. So hope you like it and you have learned from it. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.